Hello guys, we are going to study about steric number. It is one of the technique to understand hybridization, to find how central atom is hybridized and to understand geometry of different compounds. So basically formula to find steric number is that steric number is equals to sum of atoms central atom bonded to plus number of lone pairs on the central atom. If steric number is 4, then central atom will be sp3 hybridized. If steric number is 3, then the central atom is sp2 hybridized. If steric number is 2, the central atom will be sp1 hybridized. We are taking an example of methane here. In methane, carbon is bonded to 4 hydrogen atoms. It means by looking at this formula, we understand that the number of atoms central atom is bonded to is 4 and number of lone pairs on the carbon is 0. So steric number is 0, steric number is 4. That means carbon and methane is sp3 hybridized. And the shape and geometry of carbon and methane is it is making 109.5 degrees and it has tetrahedral shape. The second example is of ammonia. In ammonia, NH3, nitrogen is central atom and it is attached to 3 hydrogen atoms. By looking at formula again, we'll find that number of atoms central atom nitrogen is bonded to is 3 and number of lone pairs on nitrogen is 1. So 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Again, steric number is 4. That means nitrogen in ammonia is sp3 hybridized, and according to Vesper theory, valential electron pair repulsion theory, the lone pair will repel more strongly, so that is why it is making 107 degree and its shape is trigonal pyramidal. Taking another example of water. In water, oxygen is attached to 2 hydrogens. So steric number will be 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 and it will be making 104 because there are 2 lone pairs, and according to Vesper theory, lone pairs will be repelling more strongly and the shape will be bent. In ethene, carbon is making double bond. Carbon is making double bond. It means carbon is attached to 3 atoms and it has no lone pair. So it means the steric number of carbon is 3. And carbon in ethene is sp2 hybridized and will be making 120 degrees. In acetylene, carbon is attached to 1 carbon and 1 hydrogen. It means it is attached to 2 atoms and it will be making, it is 2 plus 0. It is attached to 2 atoms and it has no lone pairs. So steric number is 2. It means carbon in acetylene is sp1 hybridized and it has linear shape. It will be making 180 degrees. In carbon dioxide, carbon is attached to 2 oxygen atoms. It means it is attached to 2 atoms and it has no lone pair. It has a steric number of 2 and carbon and carbon dioxide will be sp1 hybridized. I hope that helps.